Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to show you this amazing deal on this tough built workbench. Also, YouTube just opened up my account to a new feature that I don't watch a lot of YouTube, but I haven't seen from anybody else. And normally new features I like to test out on the second channel because you're embarrassing yourself in front of less people. But this is only available on my main account, and I think it's pretty interesting. We're going to get into that in 1 second because it is related to this product. But it's the Tough Built Quickset 1,000 pound capacity plastic workbench. Has the folding legs there. It uses their clip tech. It says at each corner, although I'm not seeing one there, so maybe it's around the corner there. Normally $99, on sale for $69, and you're going to get free shipping on that. But also, when I added this to my cart at the checkout screen, it gave me a $5 off discount if I switched to pick up in store. Now, for me, that doesn't work. That's a half-hour drive each way, not worth $5. It costs more than $5 in gas. But if you're already going to Lowe's or have another reason, hey, $5 is $5, you can go ahead and get that. So 1,000-pound capacity. These, I have a ton of Tough Built pouches. They have a huge variety, and you can buy these little clips individually, or the receiver end is on the back side of every pouch that they sell. And I think that would be pretty damn handy to have this thing all set up and be able to clip the pouch on there. You'd be able to hold several tools, or maybe you got like the nail pouch or something, and it's just a nice little extra idea. So, okay, that's $69. Now, let me show you this YouTube thing. So this is the YouTube Studio logged into my account, and they are giving me the ability to tag products. Again, I have no way of testing this. I don't even know what's going to happen. I'm going to have a link down below to my website that has this Tough Built thing, but if you see, I'm going to put the model number, add it there, and then if we go to View Product, look at that, we have a product page on YouTube. So you see it has the picture, title, little synopsis. Now, I saw with other products, it showed other retailers and their prices at different retailers. So it had a little price comparison thing. It says $69, and it gives a link to Lowe's, has related products. I don't know, this seems pretty interesting, but I have no idea. I'm going to make this video, I'm going to post it obviously, and then I'm going to tag this thing just like you saw in that box, but I have no idea how that tag works. Is it going to be on the video itself? Is it going to add their own link to the side or underneath the video? I'm assuming it's going to bring you to this page, and then this link brings you to Lowe's. I'll tell you, it is an affiliate link, but they're not paying based on commission. Every affiliate network I am in pays a commission. For instance, Lowe's pays 1.25%. This is going to be an amount per click, and they don't even tell you what the amount is. It depends on the account and the traffic and all these figures that they are not. It's a new thing. Maybe they don't even know, but it's going to be pennies. It's going to be like 2 cents a click or 5 cents. You know, it's very little, but you know, everyone who clicks on it, even if they don't buy it, you get a little something. So that's nice. But yeah, I have no idea how this is going to work. So we had to do kind of a test video, because if I do, like, let's say we do 10 deals in a video, how is it going to structure 10 of these things? And will I get to like set a time, like 30 seconds into the video, show this one, 2 minutes into the video, show this one? No clue. I think it's kind of cool though. You know, we'll see if they roll this out to all accounts. I don't know how they're picking and choosing. The only thing I saw right now is you have to be over 20,000 subscribers to be eligible, which is probably why it's not on the second channel, or at least one of the many reasons. But there it is, guys. A really cool workbench and a new feature that you may see more on the channel, just depending how this goes. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for another subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.